Hi guys, today we're going to make a really pretty flower picture. So you will need pink paint, dark and light pink, and also you'll need cotton bud. You'll need, oh yeah, you don't need paint. You need green paint and dark green paint and black sheet of paper. So first on the black sheet of paper, I have to draw leaves, but then I did my first video, but then something happened to it, so I had to, yeah. So first, I don't like these leaves, so I'm just gonna dab like this to make like grass. So here I'm done. So now let's do the same thing with the dark blue and do on top. And I'm like, maybe like this. Make sure you mix the dark blue and light blue. It's like, see, you'll see a little bit of, I mean green, not blue, light green over here, and yeah, so like they would be really pretty. Next step, we're gonna make a stem. So we need brown, I totally forgot. So first I'm gonna wash this. I realized that I don't have to wash it because when I mix the dark green with brown, it's so cool. Like, the color's so pretty, so make a stem. And in the middle of painting, someone wants to say hi.
Hello, I'm Mitty's mom.
Okay. Bye. Okay, and then this is it. You make 4 stems or maybe whatever. And then, yeah. Now we're gonna use the cotton bud. Now we're gonna dab this on the stem. Okay, so yeah, it's gonna be like this. So basically I add white and a little lighter pink. And I just realized that we also need stars. So yeah, we need the stars. Instead of the moon, instead of the stars, I drew a moon. Like this. This is how it turned out. So, yeah. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel and comment down below. And, yeah. Bye.